We need to practice being ourselves. Being ourselves is such an important practice. And in this life where you grow up with patterns from other people, from family members and schools around you, you get pulled in with uncomfortable emotions because you have the fear of conflict. You have the fear of losing aura. You have the fear of not being cool. But then you're losing yourself. For the fear of losing other people who don't even like the true you, you are losing yourself and you're losing your self-love. You're losing your self-worth because you're giving yourself up. You're showing your brain that you value someone else's opinion more than you valuing yourself. Bashar says, enlightenment is just about lightening up. And you can add that into your day. Oh, I dance in the morning in the kitchen to danza kuduro, to my favorite music. There's a thing where people listen to music in society and wear clothes based on the trends of TikTok. So they're really not being themselves and they don't have a relationship with their own heart because they live based on their mind to try to be cool, to listen to, let's say, Cardi B or Playboy Cardi. There are probably people who enjoy Playboy Cardi, the music, and that's fine. Let them enjoy that, right? But I bet there's so many people who just listen to Playboy Cardi because everybody listens to Playboy Cardi. Okay? And that's not being loving to yourself because you don't build a relationship with your unique true self. And this is something that I want to lastly mention to you guys, which is very important. When I started getting success on TikTok, I wanted to make those alien videos. Like I enjoyed making the alien videos. But my brain said, oh, if you make these alien videos, maybe girls aren't as attractive to you anymore because it's kind of goofy, this and that. But I did it anyway because I have to express myself. If not, I don't shine my light brightly to just express myself, to say the things I want to say. Even if the brain says, oh, people are going to be upset about you. If I say it anyway, I love myself because I go with my true north, my true excitement, my true opinions that are uniquely to me, even though the patterns that we put in here earlier might tell me otherwise. So I show myself the action of love by going in that direction. Where's the line? Sometimes I might look childish. Yeah, but then you make it about if it's your true excitement and you avoid it, then you make it about the opinions of others, of certain speakers who say, no, you have to always be this masculine, this strict, this stoic person, and you can never be lighthearted, and you can never be really truly yourself. Like, don't you want to be yourself? And by the way, me being myself is the most attractive. Like me creating these alien videos, me creating the videos that I make on social media, being myself, people are very attracted to it because I'm vulnerable, I'm myself, I'm honest, I'm sincere, I'm unique. I'm not trying to be everybody else, and I'm not trying to jump on trends. Oh, so I'm cool, so I'll listen to Playboy Cardi or listen to other things just because other people say it's cool. No, I listen to the music that I love. I watch the movies that I love. And then I find you get more sensitive to your own vibration. You get more sensitive to your preferences. You get more sensitive to your excitement because that's also a practice. We need to practice being ourselves. Being ourselves is such an important practice. And in this life where you grow up with patterns from other people, from family members and schools around you, you get pulled in with uncomfortable emotions because you have the fear of conflict. You have the fear of losing aura. You have the fear of not trying to be, like not being cool. But then you're losing yourself. For the fear of losing other people who don't even like the true you, you are losing yourself and you're losing your self-love. You're losing your self-worth because you're giving yourself up. You're showing your brain that you value someone else's opinion more than you valuing yourself. So this is a practice to speak in the direction that you value, to act in the direction that you value, no matter if the thoughts and emotions tell you, no, they're not gonna like you, you're gonna embarrass yourself, this is not cool, they're gonna laugh at that. You're gonna build a stable condition of self-love, which you take with you into your life, and you're going to build business from that strong foundation. You're going to build friendships and relationships from that foundation. Instead of building relationships from the foundation of insecurity, from the foundation of chasing validation, we need to have a strong foundation